Hi everyone, so in this video I will show you how to create an AI agent under 20 minutes. So if you are wondering what does this AI agent do, then this is the AI agent that helps you filter out important or urgent emails. Let's say if you are doing job or if you have a business, then I'm sure you receive hundreds and hundreds of emails, and out of those hundreds of emails there are like 4 or 5 emails that needs your immediate attention. And for that reason I created this AI agent. To create this AI agent you will need 4 things. First is Gmail account, second is Gemini API, third is Slack, and fourth is of course n8n platform. So without further ado, let's quickly start. Now let's first create a new workflow here. Click on plus icon, workflow and personal, add first step, Gmail, and trigger should be on message received. On the credential part, I have already added the credential, but if you have not, then click on create new credential and sign in with Google. Once you sign in, it will ask you to provide some access. You will just have to click on those, and it's all done. I have already connected it, so I will not choose here. Then on the mode section, I have selected it every minute. You can choose every hour or every day, but since it's important and urgent emails, I think you will also put either every hour or every minute. And then on the message, trigger is set to every message received. Then let's test this trigger. To test it, I will just send one email, test email, hi Manish, and here also hi Manish. I'm just sending one test email here. Let's save the workflow and execute it. This is not the email that I have just sent, it's the previous email. So let's again execute the workflow. Now it's received, hi Manish, and this trigger is working. Now click on plus icon, and here it is set node and add field. On the name section, I will just name it like email received. On the value, drag this snippet here so that out of these all just a clear email will pass. Then add AI agent here, type in AI agent and it will show AI agent. Then on the connected chat trigger node, you will, instead of selecting this, you will say define below, and let's execute the previous node. Let's execute it. Sorry, first let's delete this, and now connect this node so that this clean email received should be dragged here, and user prompt will be just the email that this AI agent will be receiving. On the add option, you will also select system message. Here I have created a prompt using the ChatGPT, and I will also attach the document where I have listed that prompt. You can just copy paste it here. For now I will just leave as it is. First I will add chat model and the tool, then I will just add that system prompt also. Let's go to chat model and type in Gemini and connect this. On the Gemini also you can like create new credential, and API key is required. So to create the API key, you will have to go to Google AI Studio and create one account there. And on the account, you will after you log into that account, you will be asked to create a new API. Then you can just create that API and paste it here. Once you paste it, click on save and it will be saved. Now to connect the Slack account to this AI agent, click on tools and type in Slack tool. Then over here click on create new credential, and so you will have to click on connect my account. Before doing this, make sure you are logged into your Slack account on the next tab, and once you are logged in there, you can just click in connect my account and it will redirect you to this page. It will redirect to this page and you will have to click on allow. It's done, and come back here, and on the send message to section you can click choose channel or user. If you have the team who handles the important or urgent emails, then you can click on channel, or if you want to send this to a specific person, then you can just choose the user. From the list section you will choose the user, whichever user you want to send. So I'm in Mozilla, and on the message text section I will choose this, let the model define this parameter. So why I'm choosing this, because on the system prompt I will be giving a clear prompt which will have mentioned that if the email is important, then it will the AI agent will create a one message which will have the summary of that email, and this email will be generated by AI agent. So I don't want a specific message to put here. Instead I will just let the AI create that message and send that. So I have the system prompt already created. I will also attach this in the description section. You can just copy paste. I will copy and paste here. So it's on this system prompt, it's clearly mentioned that you are an intelligent email assistant. Your role is to monitor incoming emails and determine whether they are important or urgent. Mark emails as important or urgent if they include keywords such as urgent meeting, ASAP, deadline, time sensitive, important task, and then use the Slack tool to send that message. The message should include a brief summary of the email, any deadlines, a clear indication that the message requires prompt attention. And also, like, ignore if the email does not contain any important or urgent information. Do not notify the user, simply leave it as is. So this is the prompt, system prompt I'm giving it. So now this AI agent is created, we will just test it. Let's save this workflow and type in here email, my email assistant. So it's done. Now let's test it. So to test the workflow, I will send two types of emails. First will be important email. I will mention in the email that this is urgent task or something like that. And second email will be normal email, just how are you doing, or a basic email. And this agent will have two tasks. One is if the email is important, then it will have to send the message to the user in Slack mentioning about that task or just a summary. And if the email is a normal email, then it will have to just ignore it. So let's quickly go to the email and send it. I will keep the subject, please work on this task ASAP. Hi Manish, the client wants the graphics to be delivered by today. Please work on it immediately. Thank you. So let's send this email and refresh this first. And on the trigger, I have set this to every minute, but for this trigger to work, I will have to activate this workflow. But instead I'm just using it manually. Let me just click on execute workflow and see if it's work or not. You see how it's working and how it has sent the email to send the message to the user in Slack. Let me check that also. Slack, launch Slack, use Slack in your browser. So you see, the client wants the graphics to be delivered by today. This requires your immediate action. 1:49 p.m. Yeah, just a second ago it sent it. You see how it worked. And now let me just send the next email, a normal one. Hi, how are you doing? Hi Manish, how are you doing? Let's send this and refresh this. So email has been sent. Let me just execute the workflow. So you see, it has the email, it has received this email, hi, how are you doing? and once the AI agent got this information, it went Gemini, this Google Gemini tool used this, read this email, and it figured out that the email is not that important, so it didn't use this Slack tool. And let's just check here also, no message has come here. So you see how it works. And previously I was also testing these this workflow, and this sentence was coming up. You can remove this sentence on Slack, and let me just delete this first. Click on add option and click include link to workflow and turn this off. So once you turn this off, this sentence will not show up. You will just receive the message from the AI agent. Yeah, that's how you create the AI agent under 20 minutes, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or if you are confused on any part in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.